2025 Liberty Walk is not just a car, it's an experience. A rolling statement that defines what it means to blend raw aggression with luxurious customization. Known globally for pushing boundaries in car modification, Liberty Walk has taken its philosophy to an entirely new level with the 2025 model, redefining what modern street presence means in the world of performance and design. This car doesn't whisper elegance, it screams it, with a body that looks like it was forged in a wind tunnel, but styled by an artist with attitude from the very first glance. The 2025 Liberty Walk demands your attention. The front fascia is menacing, with ultra-slim LED headlights that cut through the dark like twin blades. The signature wide-body kit, sculpted fenders, and reimagined aero elements create a stance that sits lower, wider, and bolder than ever before. Every line has purpose, from the aggressive splitter to the sculpted hood vents, all working to keep the beast cool and grounded. The white paint finish isn't just glossy, it's glass, like reflecting light in a way that feels almost unreal. Under the high-end showroom lights that move to the side and the silhouette reveals its full drama. Sitting on massive forged wheels wrapped in ultra-low profile tires. The Liberty Walk features custom fender flares bolted with exposed rivets that give a nod to its tuner roots. Side skirts flow seamlessly into the widened rear arches where you can spot massive drilled brakes and bright-colored calipers that hint at the power within. The suspension is slammed, giving it that iconic, aggressive stance that car enthusiasts crave. And with air suspension options, it can rise or drop on command, adding a dynamic edge to its street-ready character. Around the back, the rear end is a visual powerhouse. A bold carbon fiber diffuser hugs the road while a set of titanium exhaust tips pop with vibrant burnt colors. A large GT-style wing sits atop the trunk, not just for looks but to push real downforce when it's flying at speed. The taillights are sharp, futuristic, and integrated perfectly into the rear quarters, adding to the overall aesthetic of menace and precision. Step inside and the aggression transforms into a cabin that balances race-bred styling with refined luxury. White Alcantara seats with red contrast stitching wrap around your body like a cockpit, while the dashboard glows with a customizable digital display. Carbon fiber panels, LED ambient lighting, and a flat-bottom steering wheel all point to a car that was designed not just for show, but for driving excellence. Every detail has been thought through. This isn't just a car that looks fast. It feels fast even when parked under the hood. The Liberty Walk is typically based on high-performance platforms like the Nissan GTR or Lamborghini Huracan, but for 2025, the tuning house has teased a hybrid twin-turbo setup pushing over 800 horsepower. With an exhaust note that roars like thunder and acceleration that presses you deep into the seat, performance is just as important as style here. Whether tuned from factory models or built from scratch, this Liberty Walk creation guarantees jaw-dropping speed with heart-racing control. Ultimately, the 2025 Liberty Walk isn't just a modified car, it's a vision. It's for the bold, the different, the unapologetic. In a world where many cars look the same, this one breaks every mold. From the streets of Tokyo to the garages of collectors worldwide, it's a legend in motion.